Hello, welcome to this English grammar channel. Now let's see about passive construction for present perfect tense, past perfect and future perfect. Present perfect, we know the work completed in the present time. Past perfect means your work completed in the past, and future perfect which is going to be completed in the future time. So let's see the passive construction of present perfect tense. Subject, auxiliary verb, has or have. Has for your singular noun, have for your plural noun, been, then past participle of the main verb by agent. Example, he has sold his car. His car has been sold by him. I have not broken this window pane. The window pane has not been broken by me. Past perfect. Subject, auxiliary verb. Only had will be used with all the person when you change it from active to passive voice when the sentence is in the past perfect tense. Okay, now see the example. The peon had closed the gate. Had closed. The gate had been closed. Here had is used as an auxiliary verb. Been, then closed by the peon. Second sentence. His father had advised him not to borrow money. He had been advised by his father. He had been advised by his father not to borrow money. Next is your future perfect tense. Subject plus modal plus auxiliary verb plus been plus V3 then by agent. He will have sold his horse. This is example. His horse will have been sold by him. Here we can see we are using modal will, then auxiliary verb have, then been, then past participle of the main verb, then by agent. Sometimes we have sentences like two objects. He gave me a pen. How you will change it into active to passive voice? Me. This is your first object and a pen. Pen is your inanimate thing, but me refers to the living being. So you have to take the living being as the subject of the passive. I was given a pen by him. You can use a pen, which is inanimate thing, also as subject. A pen was given to me. Okay, so like sometimes someone has stolen my pen. When someone which is not a definite subject cannot be used as the by agent when you turn it from active to passive voice. My pen has been stolen. My pen has been stolen. Has been stolen will be used here. Okay. Has been stolen. Stolen is your past participle of stole. Steal, stole, stolen. Has been, because it is your present perfect tense. But why by agent, by someone will not be used? Because it doesn't specify who has taken your pen. Therefore, my pen has been stolen. You have to write down. This is all about your how to turn present simple present perfect, past perfect, future perfect, present continuous and past continuous tense from active to passive voice. Always remember that present perfect continuous tense doesn't have what? Passive construction. Present perfect, past perfect continuous and future perfect continuous you will not be using in passive construction. That's all for today. Thank you.